Good morning, student. Good morning, children or peoples. Okay, so today I'm uploading my new video to my channel. So welcome to my today's channel. So today's our topic is how to improve English. So our first topic would be how to improve our English, and the subtopic is how to increase your self confidence. How to increase your self confidence to speak English fluently. How we can speak or how we can increase self confidence. Next is speaking and reading. How we can speak, how we can read in English, walking English, talking English. That's the slogan, na? So how we can do that. So today I want to tell you that two topics, subtopics. I will explain you how we can do this in our daily life, as today is lockdowns. So we should utilize our time how to speak in English, because English is now a very important language in nowadays. Because not of English, not of English only, French is also a language, but beside that English is a main language, as we are speaking Hindi in our homes. So I request you to speak English with your family members to increase your self confidence. That is the first point of this topic. How we can increase our self confidence. First, first you have to speak English with your family members, whether you know or whether you know. You should try to speak in English with your family members. Then only you will be able to speak English fluently outside. So it's a first point. So, and next point is that next point will be including reading topic in this only, that I am telling you this topic would be including in this. Like second point of this, how to we can increase our self confidence. Many I have seen many people going in coaching centers to understand, have a classes for English. So I request you, don't go. Is English not a subject to be teach in coaching centers? You can read by YouTube channels or anybody or your books. And nowadays in schools also English is compulsory. You can, if you are a elder, you can have classes from your youngers. It's not a bad thing. So okay, so my next top this second point would be, you have a book or a novel or a story book or anything which have a English topic. You should have a full page, or you can have a paragraph in which you can speak. You should stand in front of a mirror for 5 to 10 or 10 to 15 minutes, and you have to read that paragraph within yourself, as you will be seeing your image in front of your mirror. So that in that reflection you will be doing that task. And this task will be dependent on yourself only. You don't need anyone else to be included in this, because it's a interconversation talk within yourself. So it will be increasing your self confidence to face the challenges in for English outside. So it's about self confidence. Now we have completed reading, how we can read novels and whatever in front of a mirror. Next is speaking, how we can speak in English. So we can speak in English by, you have to make a dictionary of a few pages or a book, and you can write 5 to 10 vocabulary words or new words in your 24 hours day. You have 24 hours a day, so you can write that 5 or 10 words from your dictionary and make a own dictionary. And you that of writing is not a task. You have to use that words in your daily life with your family members. When you are speaking, you should use that words in your daily life with your family members when you are speaking. So it's all for how to improve your English. So I request you all to please see this video and do this task sincerely. As there is lockdown, you have free time, so utilize this free time. I will upload my next video. Till then, thank you.